How to fix Steam not downloading games. First, you want to load up Steam. Then we're just going to click on the Steam logo in the top left and go into settings. Once we go into settings, the first step will be going into downloads and just verifying that this is the correct download region, so where you live. Make sure limit download speed is not checked, and afterwards we will just scroll down and you want to locate clear download cache. So if you are having trouble with downloading games on Steam, they're not downloading, then you want to select clear cache here, and this is just going to resolve issues downloading or starting the apps. So click on clear cache. Also, make sure game file transfer over local network is toggled on. Okay, so that was the first step. Now we can proceed to the second step, which is going to be going into storage. Right here, we just want to find the three dots here. So click on the three dots and you will see the option repair library. So if you are trying to download an update for a game or basically any new game, you want to click on repair library, and this is going to solve any issues which you may experience with your Steam library, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.